I think we found a new error. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, Perry the Platypus. He looks so mean, doesn't he? Look at his eyes. See how the paint looks really good on his eyes? Well, when I was at the store today and I was checking out the PEZ, I saw this one with a paint smear. A lot of excess paint on it. I thought it was kind of neat. And I have seen painting errors before, usually the eye is in the wrong place. This is just extra paint on the eye, if you will. There you can see them next to each other. But I just saw this and wanted to let you know you can have paint errors as well. Completely forgot about that. So I wanted to make a quick video. The orange paint on the back of him, it's good on both sides. But that eye. Yep, that eye. Wonder if the paint was still wet and it was just laying on its back. So until next time,